Good morning, class 9th. Is everything okay? Is everything fine? Students, on 5th September, as a teacher day, I really felt I am not a teacher without the students. And I think every teacher felt that without the students we are not teacher. And you also felt that without teachers you are not a students. So now you understood the relationship, what is the relationship between, what is the bonding between teacher and a students. You have better understand the bonding between teacher and students. Without you we are not teacher, and without teacher you are not a students. So students, really I missed you too much on the occasion of teacher day, and for that again I congratulate to, I wish to you happy teacher day. And we are trying to give you best, and we are trying to complete your syllabus and waiting to see you very soon in the class. Now start today's study. Students, today we will discuss about the animal tissue. We have finished the plant tissue, and if you have any related question then please forward it to me. Let's start animal tissue. So again I am reminding to you body organization level. What are the body organization level? Cell combining to form the tissues, tissues combine to form the organ, organ making a system and form many organs making together and done a job, that's called the organ system, and many organ system together make a complete organism. So that's the body organization level. So animal tissue, what is the definition of tissues? Similar cells perform a particular job called the tissues. Similar cells perform a particular job called the tissues. So in animal cells, look, they see, when we breathe we can actually feel the movement of our chest. How do these body parts move? From this we have specialized cells called muscle cells. The contraction and relaxation of these cells result in the movement. स्टूडेंट्स कह रहा है कि जब हम लोग सांस लेते हैं तो आप अपने चेस्ट के ऊपर पाम रखिए तो फील कीजिएगा कि आपका जो चेस्ट है वो ऊपर नीचे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और रिलैक्स होता है. ठीक है, आप अपने चेस्ट के ऊपर हथेली रखिए तो आपके चेस्ट जो है वो ऊपर जाएगी, नीचे जाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन चेस्ट में हो रहा है वो कैसे हो रहा है? तो मसल्स के कारण. किसके कारण? मसल्स के कारण ये कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन, हमारा चेस्ट जो है ऊपर और नीचे जाता है. ठीक है, तो ये मसल्स क्या है? मसल्स भी एक टिश्यू है, मसल्स भी एक टिश्यू है जिनमें मूवमेंट होता है और हमारे फंक्शन को वो रेगुलेट करते हैं. तो हम लोग एनिमल टिश्यू के बारे में, उसके टाइप्स के बारे में और भी आगे पढ़ते हैं.